Hello, desktop phone stand. Now this is the older version that I've done a video on. It's already broken here. This goes up and down, doesn't stand. It was a good design, but the only problem is this. I put a paper in there to hold it in place. Otherwise, your phone just drops. So let's see what improvements they made on the new one. So yeah, that's the only thing that holds it up. But let's see what improvements they made on the new one. Let's open this up. So it comes like this. That is just an empty spot there. We have a larger base. Much larger. Square. I guess this one just knocks down easily. This one solid. And a larger stand, look. So I guess you can put iPad on this now. Or whatever's like bigger tablets and stuff. So let's move this out of the way. Assembly's the same. Screw the bottom in with the Allen key. Very easy assembly. Don't want to over tighten it. That's pretty much done. How do you lift this up? Oh wow. Ah, they have improved it. There was no turning on the old one. On the new one, you turn it, it tightens it, and that's it. Look. Ain't going nowhere. Perfect. So you screw up and down, whatever length you want it, and just tighten that up. Yeah, much better, much more improved. Can't knock it down as much. It's very sturdy. I like it. Thumbs up.